you are gonna love my pistachio-rose wedding cake with a gorgeous ruffle at the end. But it's a lot of work, so let's get going. Now, don't be intimidated by making a wedding cake, because it's the same as any other cake. It starts with the same building blocks: butter and sugar and plenty of eggs. Whisking is great to get some air in there, but so is sifting. If you're thinking, that's a lot of ingredients, you are right, because this is gonna make not one, not two, not three, not four, but 5 cakes. Sour cream. It makes cakes really nice and moist. So I told you that this was gonna be a pistachio-rose cake. What I didn't tell you is that those 2 flavors are gonna be marbled together inside the cake, which is why I'm separating my batter into 2. Now I've got chopped pistachios for a little bit of crunch, but check this out, pistachio butter, and it adds both color and amazing flavor. Some green dye to brighten things up. Rose water for that beautiful perfumed aroma. And just the tiniest hint of food coloring for some pink. I'm ready to get marbling. Couple of dollops of each. The swirl. How cool is that? Wait till you see it when it's baked. Time for the oven. Now, while these cool, every good wedding cake has a great buttercream. I am not content with just one kind of icing for this cake. It's a wedding, after all. Say hello again to my pistachio butter. So creamy. And just a touch of green to brighten things up. Now, if I'm gonna stack these cakes, they need to be flat on top, which means I've gotta level the cakes. is fun. Tiny bit of buttercream acts as a glue to keep everything in place as I'm working. And the same thing just under the bottom cake. Layer of frosting, it's just to trap in the crumbs and make a lovely smooth surface for our second layer of frosting. And actually, you can leave it like this. It's called a semi-naked cake. This baby deserves some ruffles, right? I'm almost there on my 5-layer pistachio-rose wedding cake. It had a nice crumb coat, went in the refrigerator. Got a second coat of frosting, went in the refrigerator, and now fondant. The bottom layer is gonna be pink. It's a really good idea to wear gloves for this part, because you do not want to dye your hands. Tiny bit of cornstarch will help make sure that this doesn't stick. Starting from the top, working my way down, I'm smoothing and smoothing. This is gonna be covered in ruffles, so I don't need to be too perfect. I do need to get rid of some of this excess fondant. Bottom cake done. Now it's time for the top one. I'm about to make very good use of my leftover fondant pieces. I've got a foam mat and the ball tool. The thinner I can get the edges of this fondant, the more ruffly my ruffles will be. A little bit of water to hold it all together. These dowels, which will support the top cake. Bakers are masters of engineering, I tell you. A little buttercream frosting to hide the join between the two cakes. It's so fun and it looks so delicious. Wow. Pistachio and rose, buttercream and fondant. It's a match made in heaven. You can have someone else make your wedding day treats, or you can make them yourself and they can look this beautiful.